let's say first array is 34, 56, 45, and another value is 56, 78. Another value is 45, 78, and 58. Okay, let me just put semi-comma here. And now I'm going to call my structure. Let's say I'm calling it as X. It's struct F1, comma V1, comma F2, comma V2, F3, comma V3. So this is the way when you can create like 1 cross 3. Why it is calling V1? I'm having different V1. Why it is not defined? F1 name V1 is not entered. Why? File entry. Let me just type it here again. Busy. Okay, Matlab is right now busy. If it goes busy, please don't put other commands to it, because Matlab is itself a very heavy software. So don't put your commands. V1 is not entered. Coming it out. Why it is not taking V1? Why it has an error? See, my curly braces is inside and it is looking for my input to just finish the cell. Okay, this is my mistake. I forgot to write like this. I should finish it like this. Now V1 entered. Now again I'm using struct V1, V2, V3 again. Yes, 1 cross 3. This is 1 cross 3 structure that we have made here. Okay, so let us just go to the next question. Access the different entries of defined structure. How can we access them? We have X dot name. We have 3 names, Jack, Harry, and Sam. X dot okay, next was X scores. Enter. These are the scores, and it will give you 3 times. Why it is giving you 3 times? Because we have 1 cross 3. You can give 3 different cells in. You could make 3 different cells in V3 also. Here I just used 3 rows, 3 cross 3 matrix. You can make 1 cross 3 cell for it also. So it's up to you what are your scores and how you're putting them. This is how you can access your values. Okay, the third question is create a 2 cross 2 cell with entries in a box as random matrix, any string array, the structure, and the empty cell. Okay, let us just make cell of A is equals to cell. How we can make the cell? Cell means any string. String is, let's say, Matlab. Spelling is wrong. Matlab. Okay. And next it was asking for any random matrix. Random matrix means R-A-N-D. Rand. Let's say 3. Rand 3 I have given. And in string and this database. My database is database. My structure. And then the last one is empty matrix. Empty matrix you can write like this. It's an empty matrix. Okay. So this is your cell. You have created a 2x2 cell. You can access the entries. How you can access the entries? A 2, 1. Enter. It's a 1x1 cell. 2, 1. 2, 1 is this. 1x1 structure. It's a 1x1 structure. Okay. So this is how you can get the values in cell, but cell itself is not very much useful. We use it in structures. We have already discussed about it. Okay, use the indexing function sub to end to access specific elements by any matrix. So what do we have here? The question is, let me read the question once more. By indexing function sub to end to access specific elements of any matrix. Okay, let me enter one matrix first. A is equals to magic is just for an example. Let's say 3, and I am using index value of by using sub to end size of A, because I'm working on A, and any subscript value. Let's say I'm using this value. What will be the subscript value for this? It's second row and second column, 2, 2. Enter, and what is the index value? It's 5, and the value is also 5. What a coincidence that both are 5 here, but let us just change the value. It's 2, 3. Okay, 8. So index value is 8, but at A8, I'm going to get A8 is A8 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8. Yes, it's correct, but why it is giving me 2, 3? Okay, this is the this was the subscript value. It was 2, 3, and the value is 7, and the index value is 8. We have already discussed everything about indexing in detail in the first lecture. Okay. Use size and length function to determine the dimensions of above matrices. So how can we just use size and length function? Okay, so the next is size of A is 3x3, and length. What is this? Length is going to give me 3. What is 3 now? 3 means the number of columns. The number of columns in A. Let's say I just change my 1 to 10. Okay. This is my one row vector. The size is 1 cross 10, and the length is A. Length is 10. That means it has 10 columns. Length will also always give you columns. All right. So the next one is matrix manipulation. Matrix manipulation. Okay. Insert element in matrix using indexing. You can insert any value in matrix, like A. We have magic of, or we have this 1 cross 10. I want to insert at A7. At A7, what is A7? A7 is this. A7 means 7th index value. I want to insert some float value at it. So let us just write, how can we insert any value at A7? A7, I am going to enter something like 1.9. Enter. Okay, so as you can see at A7, I have entered 1.9 here. So the previous value was 7. Value was 7 at A7. So the value has been changed. So if you call A7 now, 7 is 1.9 now. Right? So this is how you can do matrix manipulations with indexings. Okay, next question is use replace function. We have used replace functions. Append the row or the column in any matrix of your choice. Append means that you are actually adding up something. Like we previously also had done this. A is equals to magic or let's say 3 I am taking, and I'm appending any element like in this we have A9. I am in. I have the last element is A9, so I can append that A11 is equals to 10. So let me just make this enter. Okay, it's attempt to grow any array. Okay, okay, it is not allowed with the index value. But if I write like this, 4 comma 4 is equals to 10 with the subscript value, it will add, or you can say append the value, and it will take the dimension with subscript value but not with the index value. So it's very clear that you can append, that means add the element in the previous matrix by using subscript value here like this. All right, so the next one is delete any row or column from the matrix of your choice. Okay, how can I delete this row? Suppose I want to delete this row. How can I delete it? Which row? Third row. Third row. And which column? All the columns. Correct? And I'll put empty here. See, third row has been deleted. Correct? All right. So, all right. We have got one function. You can see how the zeros, ones, and linspace and log space can work. These are the special functions. If I put a is equals to zeros or 2, what will be the result? 0, 0. 5, 0, 0, 0 means 5 cross 5 matrix. It could produce a rectangular matrix also, 5 cross 3. So it could produce a rectangular matrix as well as the square matrix with a 0. Same with the ones. If you write like ones, 1, 1, 1 with a square matrix also, or with the rectangular matrix also. And if I use linspace, how linspace works, we have discussed, I think. Linspace, it will take the lower value 1, then the upper value. Remember this, lower value, upper value, and then it will require how many points you want. Points could be 5 also, or could be 500 also. 500 means equidistant points. 500 points in between 1 to 10. Let me just write it. Okay, 500 points. Okay, so see, within a second, it has given me the result that all these points are equidistant from each other, and the lower value is 1, upper value is 10, and total number of points are 500. Okay, this is how
whatever the number you require, you can ask for equidistant points between some limit. Okay, so the eighth question is matrix operation. Write a program to convert degree centigrade into Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Okay, let us write one program. And as I have advised you that always use this script window to write any program. All right. So here we have used this script window. My question is, I can copy my question to convert it. I have copied it and I am pasting it over. To convert Kelvin. Okay. To convert degree centigrade into Fahrenheit and Kelvin. For this, you will require the formula with which the centigrade can be converted into Fahrenheit or centigrade can be converted into Kelvin. Let us just try to do a sample program. Capital C I am taking from the user. From the user means I want the value from the user, whosoever is running this program. Input. Input is a predefined function which will help you to ask from the user like this. Enter the temperature in centigrade. Let's say and he's asking for, the computer will ask from the user, enter the temperature in centigrade, and it will prompt this statement. It's up to you how you are writing, how you are asking from the user. Input will prompt this purple statement because it is in string, that's why it has turned into purple. So it will ask you enter the temperature in centigrade. Whatever the user put after this, it will get saved in capital C here. Yeah, capital C. Okay, just put a semi-comma. Uh, it has got hanged up. Just wait because Matlab is a little bit nosy. Whenever you are working with something, it gives you some problems like this. Okay, you will put semi-comma here to suppress the output within the script. Okay, now you'll put the formula which will calculate Fahrenheit. What is the Fahrenheit conversion formula? Maybe 9 by 2, if I'm not wrong, 9 by 2 um, plus 32 multiplied by centigrade, and it will calculate the Fahrenheit value. Maybe I'm wrong, please check the formula and put the Kelvin value. Kelvin is 273 plus C, capital C. This is like whatever the value will enter by the user, it will get add up with 273 and convert into Kelvin. Okay, so you want to see what is the value of your F and K like this. I am using this because I have used suppressors here. So whatever the values are, I want to see their values. F is equals to and K is equals to. I want to run this program. Just press run. It will ask you to save your program. I'm saving it. Program underscore 4.m file, save. Okay, Okay, it's asking me missing character. Okay, so, like not allow me to write like this. Okay, program 4, enter the temperature in centigrade. Please read the status here. Waiting for input. Okay, whatever you enter, it's, let's say it's 23. What is the value of F and what is the value of K? You can see here. After solution, it will show you here. If you don't write this thing here, if you don't write this, wait. If you remove this, how it will behave? Enter the temperature. Let's say 89. Where is the answer? Nowhere. Because what you are using here, you're using here the semi-commas. Semi-commas means it is suppressing your output within the script. That's why I have written F and K extra. So it will give you the values. Run again, let's say 52 is a temperature. So this is how you can see the answers on command window. You can suppress them, you can see them, it's up to you. If you are suppressing or whatever you're doing in workspace, it will upgrade. CK and F. Okay, so it's up to you. I think we have finished our data type assignment. Hope you learned well. Thank you so much. Bye bye.